So you might be in a situation where you're wanting to go ahead and get the actual WhatsApp application on your Apple Watch. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're first going to want to do is you want to make your way over into your Apple Watch App Store. So scroll down until you find the App Store on your Apple Watch. It looks something like this. Go and tap onto that watch, and all we're going to want to do is you want to search for the WhatsApp application. So on the top bar right up here, you can click on the search bar, and what you're going to want to do is just type up WhatsApp. Now I kind of messed up earlier, but in this case I will go and try it again. So all you're going to want to do is just type in WhatsApp just like this, and you're going to be able to see the WhatsApp application come up just like this. So go and tap on it. And now look, you'll be able to see that you have access to this WhatsApp Messenger. So now you can read through it, you can do whatever you want to do with it, but you can also go through and you can install this app by tapping onto the little install button right up there. And that will allow you to install this WhatsApp, application on your particular watch. So that's that. You can then go through and actually use like a pretty decent version of WhatsApp on your Apple Watch. And that's how you do it. Make sure you click on the install button right up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.